Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Jade plant care is very easy and simple. Many people enjoy growing jade plants in their homes and offices because they are considered to be symbols of good luck. Most times we have questions in our mind like when and how do I prune my jade plant? How do I make my jade plant bushy? Can I grow jade plant from these cuttings? For growing new plant, do we need a leaf or a stem? How do I know when to water our jade plants and what is the sign of dehydration of our jade plant? And what is the best season for cutting the jade plant? Watch the whole video. I have given all the information here and you can get answers to all your questions. Rainy season is the best season for cutting the plant and making new plants from these cuttings. You have all seen that my mom has cut the jade plant as much as she could and now she is doing aeration by digging the soil. Jade plant is not a heavy feeder plant, but we still need to give fertilizers to it. My mom gives this fertilizer 2 times a year. One time after winter and the second time during the growing season. And my mom mainly chooses the organic fertilizer kitchen waste compost. You can give the kitchen waste compost directly or a second process. So first, take some water and add 2 to 3 spoons of kitchen waste compost into it. Then add 5 ml of Bioenzymes and cover it and wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can give it to your jade plant. Kitchen waste compost with Bioenzymes fulfill all the needs of your plant. Okay, now let me tell you how you can grow new plants from your cuttings. Many people say that we can grow a new jade plant from a single leaf only. But my mom has tried it many times and it has not worked. So you need a small stem containing some leaves like this. We had removed the bottom part of the leaf and kept some leaves of the uppermost part. If you have fresh aloe vera gel in your garden, then you can dip your plant into it before planting it. For growing jade plant, we don't need any specific type of soil. So my mom has planted them in a soil mixed of garden soil and some kitchen waste compost. And like this, easily with the cuttings, you can grow new plant like these in 4 weeks only. From last year cuttings, we made a lot of new plants like these plants. Now I will tell you some sunlight requirements of a jade plant. Your jade plants need full sun in order to grow properly. If they do not have full sun, they may become stunted and leggy. Now I will tell you about the water requirements. It is one of the most important things when you take care of jade plant. It is to make sure that you are watering it properly. Look, this is a sign of jade plant getting dehydrated. Never let a jade plant dry out completely. Also, do not water a jade plant too often as this can cause root rot. Don't water your jade plant on a schedule. Rather water your jade plants when the top of the soil is just dry to touch. Also, if your jade plant is losing leaves or has leaf spots, this is most commonly caused by too little water. I hope this video answered all your questions. But if you still have any kind of question, write that question in the comment section below. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.